George Bernard Shaw, the British playwright and dramatist, talked about paradise on earth when he referred to Dubrovnik. The best view you can get when approaching the city is still the one from the water, with a fantastic picture of the old port.
And promise to return the way we were.
This once harboured the Dubrovnik Republic's fleet.
The way I lit your cigarette. The way it
The old town is surrounded by walls almost 2.5 miles long. The buildings, the squares and the small lanes give the cityscape a special architectural unity. The old town can only be entered on foot through its monumental gates, like the Pile Gate. The Pile Gate is the best place to start a tour around the walls, with a magnificent view to the Stradum Plaka, or Stradum like the locals call it. The famous Stradum was originally an inlet, which was later on filled up with earth. Today it is the favourite promenade walk for both Dubrovnik locals and tourists from all around the world. A perfect setting for fashion shoots. City landmarks like the Roland statue on the one side of Stradum and the big fountain on the other side are popular meeting points among tourists. The construction work for the wall started 700 years ago. Since then, the fortress has been expanded and strengthened. The walls are still today a symbol of love for freedom and Dubrovnik's independence. Freedom's bulwark. UNESCO declared the city a World Heritage Site in 1980. Some remaining important buildings were destroyed, however, during the Yugoslavian Civil War in 1991. They had to be rebuilt afterwards. Life is flourishing again today. The whole region has experienced a real comeback in the last 10 years, and Dubrovnik invites you on an unforgettable trip.